Welcome to Mad Useful Crypto, where we give you information on crypto that is mad useful. So, on today's episode, we'll be taking a look at the collaboration that we knew was coming between Andrew Cronier and also Daniele Siesta, the leader of Wonderland. And of course, Wonderland and Popsicle Finance will start the first collaboration when it comes to what Wonderland has been looking to do on the Fantom blockchain. So check this out, right? Users will be able to stake their wMEMO and nice tokens on the Popsicle Finance in order to reach the top 20 TVL dashboard. If and when the TVL goal will be reached, Popsicle and Wonderland will share the NFT voting power in the new upcoming project and will decide together how to use it in the best interest of Frog Nation. So you can read more about it here. Here's the Medium article. I'll definitely give a link to it. So here's the process, right? And I'm really just the purpose of this video is just for me to go ahead and quickly walk you guys through this entire process and discuss specifically how to actually do this. I'm just going to walk you guys through it live. Feel free to read this on your own, though. Here's the infographic to learn more about wMEMO and how it works. And all of the steps are actually in this Medium article. So if you want to do it on your own time, that's cool. If you want to follow along with this video, cool. And it even talks about NICE holders and then also regular ICE holders, staking processes for staking in the Popsicle stand, how to stake on Popsicle Finance in general, the farm aspect of everything. But look, I'm going to go ahead and start us on the process. First and foremost, let's go to CoinGecko. Here's the current price of Wonderland time right now. And that's where it ranks in the entire rankings on CoinGecko right now. It's been a bear market right now, and I know people like, no, it's not a bear, or might disagree with me. I mean, that's cool. The markets are just really down right now, and there's a lot of reasons for that. I won't get into that. That is speculation. I won't get into all that right now. So let's just actually, without further ado, just start working on this process. So first and foremost, go to Wonderland. You're going to click on enter the app. I'm already there. So we're going to come right here with it. Cool. So now we're in here, right? You can see that in the wrap balance, I already have the wMEMO right here. And what we're going to actually do is, of course, go to where it says bridge. So what we're looking to do is take our wMEMO from the Avalanche chain and move it onto the Fantom chain. So we're going to do approve because I've never done it before. So we're going to have to approve the transaction. That's the first thing that you have to do when you're performing an action for the first time. So with this action, what we're going to do is we're going to bridge it from Avalanche to Fantom because Popsicle Finance, for this specific thing that we're trying to do on Popsicle Finance will be on the Fantom side of it. Cross-chain fee is just about 0.1%. It really won't make a massive difference to what we're trying to do. So here's the balance that I have. You can see the expected, and you see that it barely really touches my balance at all. And I'm earning rebases just by having the wMEMO itself. So let's go ahead and hit max. Just because we want to send everything over to the Fantom chain. We're going to hit bridge. We're going to pay this gas fee. That's in Avalanche right now. And then the next part about this is that because the bridge actually uses AnySwap, because it's powered by AnySwap, sometimes it takes a while. So in this case, it's telling us that it could take anywhere from 10 minutes to 30 minutes. So it says the transaction was successfully sent, but because it's being bridged, we actually have to wait for it to. And what I would do in the meantime while you actually wait is come to the Fantom Opera network, because here's where it's going to be popping up anyway, right? And see where it says 0 wMEMO. First and foremost, if you don't have Fantom in your MetaMask, add the Fantom network to your MetaMask. Then add the token address for wMEMO to your actual Fantom MetaMask account so that you can see your token here if you don't already have all that stuff set up. I will have a link to the official token address in the video description as well, just to save you guys some time. And here it is right now. You guys just watched it pop up live. So here's my wMEMO. What we're going to do is come over to Popsicle Finance. We're going to switch this over to Fantom. And then we're going to hit connect my MetaMask wallet. I'm going to hit next, connect. I have a link to Popsicle Finance in the description as well. This is not financial advice. I should have been saying it this whole time. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Please, please, please do your own research. I'm sorry. That's not what I want. Come to the dashboard. You're going to click on where it says farm. So you see right here where it says wMEMO. So you see right here where it says wMEMO, Popsicle plus Wonderland voting power. We're going to hit stake. Going to hit max, approve token spending. So this is just to approve the token spending. We'll actually have to do another transaction for it to actually be staked. So this is just to approve it. Also, remember that staking is totally up to you. If you've been holding wMEMO throughout this down period in the entire crypto market, people are just looking at this as a way that you can have some added incentive for what you've been already holding anyway, because you'll still be getting the rebases. But this is kind of Frog Nation saying we want to see how we can be rewarded from this big push to get on the Fantom chain. So of course we already staked. If you hit unstake, you can see that the position is already occupied because we have the opportunity to unstake the amount of wMEMO that we do have. So that's the whole process. Thank you guys for joining on Mad Useful Crypto. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe because we will be dropping more and more alpha all the time. And whatever you comment, I would love to go ahead and make videos on that, just kind of addressing any of the things that you guys want to take a look at in the DeFi space, the entire crypto space in general. So let's do it. All right, everybody. Take care.